Saving $10,000 in a year might seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's entirely achievable. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your budgeting skills, I'm here to guide you through every step. Stay with me, and I'll show you practical tips and strategies to save $10,000 in just 12 months. First things first, why is saving money so important? Beyond the obvious benefits of having a financial cushion, setting and achieving savings goals can provide peace of mind, reduce stress, and give you more freedom to pursue your passions. I never realized how much a solid savings plan could change my life until I made it a priority. Now I feel more secure and motivated. Setting clear financial goals is the foundation of any successful savings plan. Think about what $10,000 could mean for you. A trip around the world? A down payment for a house? An emergency fund? One of the most effective ways to start saving is by adopting the 50-30-20 rule. This budgeting method allocates 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Implementing the 50-30-20 rule was a game changer for me. I used to feel overwhelmed by my expenses, but breaking them down into these categories made it so much more manageable. Let's break it down further. 50% needs: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. 30% wants: dining out, entertainment, hobbies. 20% savings: emergency fund, investments, debt repayment. Sticking to this rule ensures that you're covering all bases while consistently contributing to your savings. Now, how do you keep track of all this? There are plenty of tools to help you manage your budget effectively. Using apps like EveryDollar or YNAB can simplify the process, providing real-time updates on your spending and helping you stick to your budget. I use EveryDollar to categorize my expenses and monitor my spending habits. It's like having a financial advisor in my pocket. Another great tip is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you'll be paying yourself first without even thinking about it. Want to kickstart your savings? Try a no-spend challenge. The idea is simple. Set a period during which you avoid any non-essential spending. I tried a no-spend month, and initially it was tough, but it made me rethink my spending habits and appreciate what I already had. Start small. Try a no-spend weekend, then a week, and eventually work your way up to a month. You'll be amazed at how much you can save. Once you've started saving, it's time to make your money work for you. High-yield savings accounts offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. Look into accounts from banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or Synchrony. Compare their interest rates and fees to find the best fit for you. High-yield savings accounts are a fantastic way to maximize your savings with minimal risk. They're also accessible and often come with no minimum balance requirements. But don't stop there. Consider other low-risk investment options like bonds or certificates of deposit, CDs. These can provide a steady return without exposing your savings to high risks. Another engaging way to save is the 52-week money challenge. It's simple and effective. Here's how it works. In week 1, you save $1. Week 2, $2, and so on. By week 52, you'll be saving 52s and you'll have accumulated $1.378 by the end of the year. I started the 52-week challenge as a fun way to save, and it's incredible how quickly the amount adds up. I modified the challenge to fit my income by doubling the weekly amounts. It helped me stay consistent and motivated. Feel free to adjust the challenge to suit your financial situation. The key is consistency. Saving money isn't just about putting cash aside. It's also about cutting down on unnecessary expenses. Cooking at home instead of dining out, cancelling unused subscriptions, and using public transportation are just a few ways to save significantly. Making small changes like meal prepping and taking the bus instead of driving saved me hundreds of dollars each month. Be mindful of your spending, and always look for cost-effective alternatives without compromising your lifestyle. Saving $10,000 in a year requires dedication and perseverance. It's crucial to stay committed and motivated throughout your savings journey. I set weekly goals and rewarded myself when I achieved them. It kept me focused and motivated. Joining online savings communities helped me stay accountable and inspired. Remember, it's okay to have setbacks. What matters is getting back on track and continuing towards your goal. With the right mindset and strategies, saving $10,000 in a year is not only possible, but incredibly rewarding. Congratulations! You're now equipped with practical tips and strategies to save $10,000 in a year. Remember, the key to financial success is consistency and commitment. Keep setting new goals and strive for continuous improvement in your financial health. Ready to take the first step? Join the Savings Challenge today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Thank you for watching and happy saving.